Previously on CountryBoyModz.
I've been hearing people talk about it. I'm like, man, I don't know what's going on. But like this shit right here, bro. Like this peed me off. No rock hit me, no nothing. Just randomly driving. That there's bug juice. You can see. Like I got bug juice all over the window. But I know we ain't got no super bugs running around here splitting people's windows. So my thing is, I just want to know if y'all experienced this on y'all brand new Altimas. As you can see, the fracture. Y'all experienced this on your brand new Altimas, man. Y'all let me know, because man, like I'm gonna take this to Nissan and find out, because this is crazy. Like I was driving earlier that day and I heard a loud cracking noise. So I'm thinking like, okay, maybe something hit the top of my car. No damage, no nothing up top. I don't have nothing, no damage across the top of nothing. Then later on that night, I was on my way home and this happened.
Thursday, May the 20th, 2021. I got my windshield replaced that day. So pretty much what we got here. We got Pete on the windshield here. He did an excellent job. Glass America is a great company. Overall, I mean, right now he's taking off the side seals. Unfortunately, I couldn't get up close so y'all can see this happening. But I mean, he did an excellent job. So I mean, y'all just keep watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I got more videos coming. Y'all forgive me for not posting as much. Got a lot of stuff I'm trying to get done as well. So y'all stay tuned. Enjoy the video.
Y'all got the windshield replaced today. Let's see what's it looking like. Okay. Okay.
No more cracks, no more dings. Looking real good. That's awesome. Actually pretty good, yeah. I like it. See what it look like from the inside. This time, this one, 10. Yep, looking real good, yeah. Got the tinted windshield now.
This is a CountryBoyModz production.